Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing additional mathematics. Additional mathematics for those students who belongs to Igcse, which have syllabus code 0606, and those students who belongs to O level, CIE O level, which have syllabus code 4037, can get equal benefits from this course. As you know, students, we have started chapter number 1 from this book. Name is function, and we have done so far we have done exercises 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 completely, and from exercise 1.5 we did first three questions. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and we have done all parts, each and every part from each and every exercise from 1.1 to 1.5. Today, our target is to do question number 4 and 5 from exercise 1.5. So let's start question number 4. Excuse me, from exercise 1.5. What is question number 4? You can see, given that each of these functions is defined for the domain minus 3 less than equals to x less than equals to 4, or you can read this, the domain is from minus 3 to 4, as you like. Question is find the range of part A, part B, part C. So first we are going to start part A. This is function of x is equals to 5 minus 2x. So keep in mind, whenever you see the function in the form of like this, how to read this: f map on x, f map on x 5 minus 2x, but you can directly write this fx is equals to 5 minus 2x, so no difference. Okay, now what is the domain? From minus 3 to 4, keep in mind, domain means the values of x and range means the value of fx, or you can say the y value. Range means the y value. So range means with the help of the given domain, range means to find the minimum and maximum value of the function. How we get this? Just put, first we have to put the smallest value of the domain, like x is minus 3, so we have to take x is equals to minus 3. So find f of minus 3, f minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. So f minus multiplied by minus is plus, 2 3 is 6, 5 plus 6 is 11. So when we put minus 3 in the function, we get 11. Now find other value. The maximum value of the function of the domain is 4. So we have to put 4 and see what will happen. F of 4 is 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4. 5 minus 2 4 is 8. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Therefore, the range means the minimum and maximum value of the function. The minimum value is minus 3. So we have to write minus 3. And the maximum value is what? 11. Therefore, the range of part A minus 3 less than equals to fx less than equals to 11, or you can read the range of the function from minus 3 to 11. So this is our answer. Keep in mind, it is not necessary that you get the value of range always by putting the smallest and the highest value. Sometimes the answer got wrong. So whenever you find the range with the help of given domain, you must check at least 2 to 3 values. What I mean, I put minus 3 and get 11. But if I put minus 2, I will get 2 to the 4, 4 plus 5, 9, which is smallest. So is this possible? We get the value which is bigger than 11. If this is possible, then our answer is not correct. But in this case, it is not possible to get the answer which is bigger than 11. Similarly, our smallest value is minus 3. So is this possible to get the value which is smaller than minus 3? If this is possible, then our answer is wrong. But in this case, minus 3, there is no value which is less than minus 3. Therefore, we can easily say that the range is minus 3 to 11. So, students, hope you understand part A. Now come to part B. So we have to find, in this case, we have to find the range of absolute value function. Absolute value function gx is equals to 5 minus 2x. So how to find the range? Student, there is the shortcut to find the range. What is the shortcut? First, I will do some mistake for those students who do practice of this kind, like the domain is same, minus 3 to 4. First we have to put minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 2 minus 3, 5 minus minus plus 6, 5 plus 6 is 11, and the absolute value of 11 is 11. Okay, this is first value. Now we have to put the other value, which is 4. So if I put g of 4 in the function, so 5 minus 2 into 4, 2 4 is 8, 5 minus 8 is minus 3, and the absolute value of minus 3 is plus 3. So if I say, please keep in mind, please see carefully, if I say the range of gx is from 3 to 11, this is wrong. You will get 0 in exam if you do this, because the highest value of the absolute value function is 11. This is correct, but the lowest value is not 3. Lowest value is not 3. So what is the lowest value? I am giving you the shortcut. I am rubbing this. So this is correct. Don't do this if you have an absolute valued function. Okay, I hope you completely understand. So for the highest value of the function, you can do this, just which I did, like I put minus 3 in the function, So minus minus plus 6 plus 5 is 11. Is this possible to get the value which is greater than 11 by putting the value from the domain minus 3 to 4? You can check this is not possible. So 11 is the highest value. How to find the minimum value? It is very easy. Just take the function gx is equals to 5 minus 2x absolute value. Just see, is there any number outside the absolute value? No, there is no number. If there is no number, then we can say 0 over here. If there is no number, then we can say 0 over here. Therefore, our range is our range is from 0 to 11. If some students think that what is the mechanism behind this, first of all, the answer is correct. The answer of the range of the function is from 0 to 11. But if some students think that how we say that the smallest value of the function is 0, just plot the graph of the absolute value function. You will get the vertex is 2.5 or 0. Wait, wait. So this is the vertex and this is the vertex 2.5 comma 0. Then you can see the minimum value is 0. So you can verify this smallest value 0 by plotting or sketching the graph. So hope you understand part B. Come to part C. So this is the shortcut to find the smallest value of the function when the function is absolute valued function. Now see part C. Part C is hx is equals to 5 minus 2x absolute value. First you have to write the function in the form first x then constant. This is the correct way to writing. Now what is the domain? Domain is same, minus 3 to 4. How to find the range of the function? Again, the simplest way, first we have to put the value of uh, smallest value, which is minus 3. H of minus 3 is minus 2 into minus 3 plus 5. Minus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 5. And the absolute value of minus 6 is 6. So 6 plus 5, minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. Now find the other value by putting the highest value. H of 4, H of 4 is minus 2 into 4 plus 5, 2 4s are 8 plus 5, absolute value of 8 is 8. So minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Minus 3. So this is the smallest value. Is this possible to get the smallest value which is smaller than minus 3? You can check by putting all the values from minus 3 to 4. You will see that the minus 3 is the smallest value. But what should be the highest value? Again, very easy. What I told you, concentrate on the function hx is equals to minus 2x plus 5. What I told you in previous part, if you have absolute valued function, then you must concentrate on the number which is outside the absolute value. So in this case, in part B, there is no value outside the absolute value function, therefore we took 0. But here, 5. So this should be the highest value because we get smallest value. So our answer is from minus 3 to 5. And you can verify this value 5 by plotting or by sketching the graph of the absolute valued function. So this is our answer of part C, from minus 3 to 5 plus 5, positive 5. So student, I hope you completely understand question number 4, part A, part B and part C. Now we are moving towards question number 5. Here you go. Question number 5. What is question number 5? Fx is equals to 3 minus 2x for minus 1 to 4. Gx is equals to 3 minus 2x for minus 1 to 4. And hx is equals to 3 minus 2x for minus 1 to 4. Find the range of each function. Very easy question. Solution. Given function is fx is equals to 3 minus 2x, and the domain given is from minus 1 to 4. Because this is not an absolute valued function, so we just find the value by putting the smallest and highest value of the domain. First, put x is equals to minus 1. F of minus 1 is equals to 3 minus 2 into minus 1, minus minus plus, 2 ones are 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. So first value is 5. Now take x is equals to 4. So fx is equals to 3 minus 2 into x. What is x? 4. 3 minus 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So is this possible to get the value which is minimum or which is smaller than minus 5? Or is this possible to get the value which is greater than 4? You can check. You can just put the values in the given function. Sorry, we get plus 5 and minus 5. So what I told you, is this possible to get the value which is less than minus 5 and which is greater than plus 5? You can check, you can verify by putting the values of domain of x from minus 1 to 4. But because I have already done this question, therefore it is not possible to get the smaller than minus 5 or greater than plus 5. So our final answer is fx is greater than equals to minus 5 and less than equals to 5. This is our answer. So keep in mind, domain means x and range means fx or hx or gx. Now come to next part. Gx is equals to 3 minus 2x absolute value function, and in this case the domain is from x minus 1 to 4. Again, first you can put the value, the smallest value in the function. If you put smallest value, you will see that gx, sorry, the smallest value of is minus 1. So 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus minus plus 3 plus 2 5, and the absolute value of 5 is 5. Okay, so what should be the other values? Can we get the value which is greater than 5? No, it is not possible. You can just verify verbally, like if you put 0 you will get 3, if you put 1 you will get 3 minus 2 1, if you put 2 and so on. So it is not possible to get the value which is bigger than 5, which is larger than 5. So what should be the smallest value? Again, what I told you, for absolute valued function, just write the question again and see, is there any number which is outside the absolute valued function? In this case, there is no number. Therefore, we have to put 0. Hence, our range is from 0 to 5. And you can verify this by sketch the graph of the function. You will see the vertex. Okay, start the last part of the question. Last part is hx is equals to 3 minus 2x absolute value, and the domain is from minus 1 to 4. Again, first we have to put the value, starting value minus 1. So x is equals to minus 1 and h of minus 1 is equals to 3 minus 2 into minus 1 absolute value. So 3 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 3 minus, and the absolute of minus 2 is positive 2. Answer is 3 minus 2, 1. Can we get the value which is bigger than 1? Yes. How? Just put the value again. If we put 4, see this, x is equals to 4, then h of 4 is equals to 3 minus 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8 and the absolute value of 8 is 8. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Can we get the value which is smaller than minus 5? No, not possible. You can check. Now, what should be the maximum value? Again, write the function hx is equals to, write x first and then the number which is outside the absolute value function. So if this one is a smaller value, so this value should be the maximum value. Hence, the function, the range is from -5 to 3. You can verify this by sketching the graph of this function. So this is our range. Hope you understand today's class. Today we have done question number 4 and 5, and in next lecture I'll try to complete the whole exercise. So how many questions are left after 5? 3 questions, 6, 7, 8. 8. So I'll try my best to complete the exercise in next lecture. Then I'll start exercise 1.6. Hope you understand today's class. If you have any problem, any question regarding this lecture or previous lectures, kindly write in comment box. I will try my best to reply you. And if you like my videos, kindly do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification. So students, hope you really enjoy today's class. Okay, good luck for next class.